Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a quick but relaxing clean with me, and I'm also going to be doing some Valentine's Day decor. Now, if you guys have been watching my last few videos, you know that I've been doing a lot of decluttering, and that included a bunch of my decor as well. I've never really had a ton of Valentine's Day decor. A lot of it usually consisted of redone, which, as you guys know, I've already gotten rid of all of that stuff, so I didn't have a lot to begin with, but I do have a handful of cute new things that I'm super excited to put out, and I just needed to get these couple of rooms cleaned up first. So I thought that maybe if you guys had a little bit of tidying up to do, you could just follow along with me and get some motivation. But going back to the decor, again, like I said, I've been trying to declutter so much stuff in my house, and I knew that I wanted to put some color into these rooms as far as Valentine's Day. And also, I'm not a huge red fan, so I was really looking for the pastel colors like the whites and the pinks. And fortunately, my mom and her husband Jeff had gone to Hobby Lobby over the weekend. I did not get to go. I hadn't really been feeling well. So she was gracious enough to do like a virtual shopping trip with me on the phone, and she showed me everything that they had, and she ended up picking up just a few things that I thought would look really cute in here. So thank you, Mom and Jeff, for going and grabbing that stuff while you were there for me. It really truly does help. If you guys don't know, the Hobby Lobby is probably like 45 minutes away from my house, and I don't always get the opportunity to go. So that really did help me out a bunch. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and finish getting this kitchen cleaned up, and then we're going to go ahead and decorate with the pieces that I got.
You took my breath away. I didn't know what to say. All of my friends told me to run away, to run away, to run away.
Promise me I won't feel dumb if I made you my number one. My friends all think that I should run, like run Forrest, run Forrest, run. Like run Forrest, run Forrest, run. Run Forrest, run Forrest,
Somebody
run.
told me that I should just run away. She ain't the one, gotta run, see another day. Might be fun in a month, she'll be gone away. And then it's on to the next. What did someone say? That I should run away, but I couldn't. My little snack packed after all the work I put in. Had me sky high when I land, need cushion. Broken elevator, but then I keep pushing. Don't waste your time on me. At least that's what I try to say. Don't waste your time on me. But it still happens every Saturday. Don't waste your time on me. I don't think you can find love that way. Don't waste your time on me. But we finna find out today.
So promise me I won't feel dumb if I made you my number one. My friends all think that I should run, like run Forrest, run Forrest, run. Like run Forrest, run Forrest, run.
Hey.
Run Forrest, run Forrest,
Some
run.
people told me that you can get far on your own. Don't worry about the people on your phone. They can stay their ass at home. So I'ma get going for myself. Get going for no one else. Ooh, yeah, I heard you were trouble. Spent a few weeks in the bubble. Had a triple-double. Woo, I guess I'ma find out. I'm not a hooper, I'm a shooter in your mind now.
She said you better be smart, boy. You've been playing with my heart, boy. And all the trips to Japan and the rides in the Lamb, I just don't know where to start, boy. And then the way that you hold me feels like you already know me. And all of my notions are lost in the ocean. I forget what everyone told me.
You took my breath away. I didn't know what to say. All of my friends told me to run away, to run away, to run away.
Promise me I won't feel dumb if I make you my number one. friends all think that I should run away.
So speaking of my last few videos, if you guys haven't checked them out, definitely do that. I will leave them in the cards above as well as in the description box. I've been doing so much decluttering, and I've also had a couple really, really good collabs. So definitely go and check them out if you are going to be doing any sort of decluttering for the new year. I've gotten rid of so much stuff. Like, my house just feels a lot lighter, and my anxiety has lifted just a little bit because I just don't have all of that clutter in my house anymore. But the next thing that I'm going to do probably is going to be my living room. I've got just tons of little nooks and crannies that we've got crap just stuffed in everywhere. So I definitely need to go through that, and I'm probably going to do a deep cleaning of probably my couch and the carpet in there as well. So make sure you stick around. If you're not already subscribed, click that button, that way you don't miss out. But we are finishing up the kitchen right now, and then we are going to get into the decorating. I'm so super excited. This stuff is so cute, you guys. So here is just an overview of the things that I got. Like I said, I really just wanted to go with like a pink and white pastel look. Red is just not my thing. I don't hate the color red. It's just not anything that I ever reach for as far as decor or clothing as far as that goes. But I thought these things were really cute, and I would be able to place them just about anywhere. And I really did want to use everything that I got. The only thing that I did not get to use was this little clear jar with the pink topper, but I'm sure eventually I can find somewhere to put that. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and take most of the stuff off of these shelves right here. I decided to leave the little wooden houses up just to kind of give it another little set of color and dimension. But I'm going to be honest with you guys, once I put this banner up here, I didn't want to add anything else, only because anything on the bottom shelf you weren't going to be able to see anyway, and I wanted it to be minimal with just that little pop of color, and I think it turned out so sweet and cute. You guys will have to let me know what you think, and the size was absolutely perfect as well. It's not overbearing, and it just gives that little bit of Valentine's Day and that little bit of color that I was looking for here on this wall. I'm so in love with it. I can't even tell you how happy it makes me every time I walk through there. But over here on the riser beside my kitchen sink, I decided to take off that little coffee sack that was on there, and I also decided to remove my Scentsy warmer that I had there as well, just so I can have a little bit more room to put this sign. And also, sometimes Ruben complains that the smell is too strong because I've got one in almost every room in the house, so I thought that maybe I could go without it for a little while. And I also decided to put that little pink budded vase right here with that as well, just to give it a little pop of color in that corner. I think it all turned out really good, and I'm super excited with how everything looks in here. It's just that little bit of Valentine's Day that you didn't know you needed in your kitchen. And I also didn't want to let this go to waste, but I also didn't want all of the wording everywhere. So I decided to flip it over onto just the bare side of pink and set it up here on this little shelf of the wall in the kitchen. That way it gave that a little bit of pop of color too.
You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar. The sweetest part.
I met you when I could have sworn you were the one for me. The things I saw in you became my favorite things to see. Never argued, never fought, never had a second thought. I was blinded by my love, I couldn't see a single flaw. But then it came through, had to try to see a different view. Had to take a look at something new, but that was hard to do. I was only interested in you, I was paralyzed by love, I couldn't move. But now I'm on a new level, winning at the brake pedal. I just made a promise to myself that I won't settle. Yeah, I really love you, gotta move on. Living life well because life ain't long. Yeah.
You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar. The sweetest part.
Once you got your hands on my heart, felt your sting. Now it's ripping me apart. Yeah. Doesn't matter where you are, always out creeping around, raising my alarm. Yeah, girl. So hot, so cold. So baby, tell me when you gonna come home. Yeah, you be sound like sunshine, here for the day till the nighttime. Yeah.
Sunday breeze, singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar. The sweetest part, you could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like
Okay, you guys, this is probably my most favorite part of this little decor video. So there's been this mirror at Hobby Lobby that I've been drooling over for months, and my mom knew it. And she asked me while she was there if I wanted her to grab it. It was on sale, and it was the last one. And I said, you know what? I cannot justify getting that for myself right now. But they surprised me with bringing it along with my other Valentine's decor. And I cannot say thank you enough. This makes me so incredibly happy. And I just think it looks so cute right here over this entry table and just ties everything together. I'm really trying to get away from a lot of lettering pictures like on my wall, things with a lot of words, and I just think it looks beautiful right here. It matches with the wrought iron on the table, and I just decided to go ahead and put the galvanized love sign along with this little heart tray, and I just think it looks so cute. So you guys are gonna have to let me know what you think about this new addition. I'm head over heels with it. And I think that this little bit of color in the living room is perfect for what I was going for. But I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick, relaxing Valentine's Day decor clean with me. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. But that's all for now. I love and appreciate you, and I'll see you next time.
singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar.